this video today, as we look at the journey to engineer. Engineering field has many departments, and this 5 years old is showing some interest. He's showing that he wants to know something here, and that is how they start their journey. So we see that when you notice this, that he's showing interest, you don't grab things from his hand and you throw away and you kick him away and say go. No, you answer some of his questions. You look at carefully what he is doing, keeping them away from electrical hazard, keeping them away from anything that is dangerous. So whatever they do, they have to do with the close person monitoring them. The engineers, the technicians we see today, they also started from somewhere. So someone has to take interest and see what they are doing and guide them. Make sure you support us through sharing, liking, and give us your comments. It may be a girl, it may be a boy. Give them chance to know what they want to know. They start the journey in a simple way and continue.